guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yadira, and for today's video we're going to be creating our November look number 2. This is a beautiful fall holiday look. You can wear it honestly like anytime, and I am obsessed with this color. It's a very like neutral, very fall vibes, but it's so pretty, kind of a little smoked out. You know what I mean? So if you do want to learn how to create this look, then just continue watching. We're gonna start off with the eyes because that's just the way that I like to do my makeup. I find it so weird sometimes when like people do their face and then their eyes, because I'm like, how are you not messing up your face makeup? I'm gonna go ahead and prime with my Cut Up LA Girl Pro Concealer. Girl, I'm trying to get the most out of my money, okay? In this household, we don't waste anything. If you cut it up, there's a good amount of product on here. So we're just gonna go ahead, apply a little bit. We're gonna be taking it back. Like this is gonna be like a throwback palette. We're gonna be using the Modern Renaissance palette. It is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. When this palette came out, let me tell you guys, it was the next big thing. Everybody and their mama had it. Seriously, mine is kind of old and it's really dusty and ugly, but it still works beautiful. This is my Modern Renaissance palette. This is what it looks like. Obviously, I used it quite a bit, especially this shade right here. But if you guys don't have this palette, it's okay, don't worry. Just use similar colors to this palette. I'm gonna start off by using Real Guard. We're just gonna outline our crease. Please excuse if you guys can hear Jose. He's on his video games playing Black Ops, I think. I don't know. But he's playing something and he tends to talk really loud, especially with those headphones. Like, they're not supposed to be necessarily like soundproof, but it's supposed to make their game sound so much more closer. Like, I don't know. It's almost like it's soundproof, but it's not. So he can't really hear himself talk. I literally have to message him like, yo, boy, if you don't shut your ugly ass Chewbacca looking ass. We're gonna switch to a fluffy brush. This one is by Morphe, the M506 brush. We're gonna use Raw Sienna. This is gonna be a very beautiful transition color. I'm just gonna go ahead and pack this over that burnt orange color. You're gonna notice that the burnt orange color tends to fade away a little bit, and that's okay. We're gonna touch up that burnt orange color in just a second, so don't get scared if it fades away. I'm switching to a bigger blending brush. This one is the Morphe M514 brush. Next, I'm gonna use a shade right next to it. It's just a little lighter version. With this one, we're just gonna start doing small circular motions. You don't want to pat this color in because we don't want it to be super intense. We want it to just blend a little better. I'm just taking this brush and I'm going back and forth, back and forth. And you guys can see it's starting to blend out. Very beautiful. These colors are some of the most perfect transition colors. In case you don't know what a transition color is, it's basically a shade that you can use that allows you to transition from one shade to another shade, and it just kind of makes the eyeshadows flow a little better together. And I tell you, when this palette came out, these transition shades or everything. I'm gonna switch back to the smaller fluffy brush. I'm gonna grab some of that burnt orange and we're just gonna start blending that out, windshield motion, and just a little bit of circular motion, just so those two shades that I applied over each other start blending out. Tell me this is not sexy. Tell me. Sometimes I feel like we are so scared to blend out shades. It's so easy. So you should end up with something like this. Now we're gonna use one of my favorite shades of this palette. It is Cypress Umber. It's just such a beautiful brown color. Like, it's like your perfect chocolate brown. I believe this one does have quite a bit of fallout, so just be very gentle with it. But I'm gonna apply it on the outer corner. Can you guys see how pigmented this is? This is pigmented. After I tap it, I'm just gonna slowly blend it here on the outer corner. I don't want to drag this color too far out, so I'm just really gonna blend it right in this little area on the outer corner, right through here. Switching brushes, we're gonna grab a little bit of our transition shades and just start blending this out right here. Just doing little circular motions because I can always clean it off to any shape that I want. I'm gonna cut the crease, but I'm gonna use a technique that I saw on TikTok, which was to apply a little bit of concealer on your lash curler and stamp it on. Okay, this time I'm gonna apply it directly on here, like she said. 1, 2, 3. Okay, girl, okay. This looks good. Esto se mira mucho más mejor. We're gonna fill it in really quick. Just go like that. Like that? Tap, 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 tap. Honestly, I was a little scared to use the curler again, pero it came out better this time. I'm just stamping it for this part and connecting it to what we have. You guys, Jazz got a little cold and I hate seeing my baby sick. When we came home from gymnastics last Wednesday, she just laid down on the couch and she got a full-on fever. Like, it was so strange because throughout the day and even in school and gymnastics, like, she was doing pretty good. But I think she was just really excited about her day. And that's actually like one of the issues that I've had with Jazz in the past, is that even when she's sick, like, she just likes to be like this and playing and running. I'm actually gonna do a little story time on this on my family channel, but in the past we've had issues with doctors believing us that she's sick because of her attitude. I'm gonna use this shade to just set the concealer, and I did take her to go get tested for COVID on Friday and it came back negative, but it still sucks, you know, seeing your baby with a cold. I don't like seeing her sick. Okay, so I'm just gonna touch up the colors super quickly. I'm gonna blend these two together, just slightly back and forth, back and forth. By taunting on the skin, it really allows me to just create a smoother surface so they blend together even nicer. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter on the line of the crease. I get these glitters on Amazon. They're my favorite. It comes like 10 for like 12 bucks or something. I'll leave the link in the description box for you guys. They're basically liquid glitters. Oh, now I'm gonna apply my eyelashes. Like I told you guys in my previous video, I like to apply the eyelash glue directly onto the eye. This way is the easiest way to apply your lashes, and they last all night. Like, they're not moving around at all. Just gonna pop these little bad boys on. If you haven't seen my first Thanksgiving look, I do kind of talk a little bit more about the products, but this video we're just gonna go right through them. I was helping my mom make some, it was like camarones. Tell me why. She literally had me squeeze out the little limes, you know, los chiquititos. I think they're called key limes. She made me squeeze 50 of those, and then another like at least 30 large ones. My hands are so sore today. Obviously our whole body's made out of muscles, but I did not realize that I can have soreness through this area. So today I'm like, girl. And then para acabarla de chingar, I didn't even get to try the damn camarones. I got too full off. Oh, baby's moving. Oh, that scared me. I got too full eating other stuff. I was like, I'll try them in a bit. And then when I went to go get some, there wasn't any. Anyways, I do want to talk about this sponge. It is by Stands Out Beauty. I've been testing it out for a few days now, and I actually really love it. It's a lot different. Like, the consistency is so different compared to your regular sponges. This one reminds me of like those foam beds or pillows that you just lay on and your body just kind of sinks in wherever it's at. That's kind of what it reminds me of. I love the finished results that it gives me. It literally just looks so much more smoother, and it doesn't absorb product because it's so light, so it barely absorbs any product, and it just looks really nice. They didn't give me a discount code or anything for you guys, but I'm gonna leave their website on the description box so you guys can check it out, because honestly me encantó. I'm gonna apply my concealer. You guys, I am breaking out on my chin, which is so weird because I have not broken out since I got pregnant, and I am 5 months. For some reason, I started eating healthier last week. If you guys watch any of my vlogs, then you guys know that I've been struggling with eating healthy foods like veggies. Basically, last week I was like, no, we're gonna start eating healthier, girl, cause them pounds was packing little, you know. Now I'm breaking out and I'm like, well, okay, first of all, skin, we drink water. Thank you very much. Second of all, you're eating healthy, so what is wrong with you? And it's like those pimples que te duelen, you know, they hurt, like those little acne pimples. Like, I don't really know. Speaking of hormones, I have my gender reveal this Saturday coming up. I'm so excited. I'm so ready to finally be able to name my baby. Jose and I talk about this all the time. Like, I was over here wanting a little boy because I could only imagine a boy that looked like him. But little did I know, like a girl would also look like him, you know? I'm using the Makeup Revolution face palette. I bought a cute little dress off of Amazon. I'm hoping it fits and I'm hoping that I'm able to make a cute outfit out of it. I'm like trying to think of like shoes. I don't really know what shoes to wear. I'm gonna post a picture here for you guys. Let me know in the comments what shoes, or if you guys think I should like pair it with like a cardigan or a jacket. Like, it's cold where I'm at, okay? Like really, really cold. So I'm trying to pair it, but I'm not exactly sure how. So if you guys want to help a sister out, please leave a comment down below letting me know how you think I should pair my gender reveal dress. Jose's gonna wear a pink shirt because he thinks it's a girl, and some jeans. I also told all our guests to wear either pink or blue. That's what I did with Jasmine as well, based on what they thought the gender was gonna be. And of course, I'm gonna vlog the whole thing for you guys. So make sure you guys check out our family channel. That's where I'm posting like all my vlogs, all of our live related content. Make sure you guys check it out because you don't want to miss it. I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight on the brow bone. I'm using this blush. I was just gonna talk to you guys about this highlight. Now it's somewhere inside a box. I'm using this oh god, I can't even talk. I'm using this 3-shade bronze palette by Frankie Rose Cosmetics. This highlight is so beautiful. It's the one that I have on my nose. I'm gonna use a little bit of this one just to give me a little bit of glow right here. I'm gonna have to order another one because I love this palette. For blush, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. palette. This one's in the shade, it doesn't have shade names, but this is the light palette. It's just a very pretty blush. Do you guys see that? We're gonna smoke out our bottom waterline. I'll be using the dark brown shade. My favorite setting spray, which is the NYX Bear With Me. I need to get more because I'm running low. I'm gonna do my hair really quick and then we can move on to the lips. Okay, the hair is done. I don't know if I love it or if I hate it. I saw this style on TikTok and I was like, let me try to recreate it. I don't know if I like it, but we're gonna go along with it. For my lips, I'm actually going to use a brown eyeshadow because I don't have the perfect brown, but I want brown. I gotta be on the lookout for a very pretty brown. My little sister is actually the one that taught me to use eyeshadow as a lipstick. Now I'm gonna go in with True Story by Morphe. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. It really does help my channel grow and reach more people, so I truly would appreciate if you guys could do that for me. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Also, let me know about the gender reveal dress, because girl, that's what I'm really interested in, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys next time.